Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming account access and two-factor authentication so token changes won't lock you out. Once signed in, go to your avatar, open Settings, then Developer Settings. This gets you to Personal Access Tokens. Choose whether you need a classic token or a fine-grained token based on repo scope. Make sure you have an SSH or HTTPS workflow decision ready, because the token will replace password-based Git operations. Now click Generate New Token to start creating credentials with the right permissions. You must configure expiration and scopes deliberately. Pick a short expiration for security, longer only if necessary. Once done, select scopes like Repo for full repository access, Workflow for actions, or narrow fine-grained permissions to limit risk. Name the token clearly so you remember its purpose. Include system or machine names. After confirming choices, review the permission list to ensure least privilege. Finally, click Generate Token. You will see the token only once, so copy it securely to your password manager. Now replace the old token wherever stored, your OS Credential Manager, CI Secrets, or Git client. You can run Git Credential Manager, erase then Git push to prompt new credentials, or update saved secrets in your CI. After updating, test by running git fetch and git push and optionally curl h authorization. Token your token https://API. GitHub.com/user to verify. If things go wrong, revoke the token immediately, recreate it with correct scopes, and confirm two-factor and account access. That fixes most.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.